Picture this. You're at home trying to stretch every dollar and wondering how you can earn any money without any special skills or any fancy equipment. Frustrating, right? Maybe you've searched online, been overwhelmed with scams and ideas that feel too complicated or risky. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Here's the good news. There are ways to make money from home even if you are a total beginner. Let me show you how to turn your spare time into income starting from today. Here's the problem. Most people think earning money from home requires technical skills, degrees, or huge investments. That's simply not true. You're stuck thinking, I don't have the skills, the time, or the resources to start. But what if I were to tell you that you can start earning money from home even as a complete beginner with little to no upfront cost? In this video, I'm going to show you 6 beginner-friendly ways for you to start earning money online from home. These methods are simple, they're legitimate and designed for people with little to no experience. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to start earning that much needed money, that extra cash that you've been dreaming of. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, number 1 is online freelancing. If you can write, edit, or even just organize schedule, there's work out there for you. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to get started because you don't need any certifications or prior experience to land any small gigs. There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer that will connect you, the beginner, with clients looking for simple tasks like writing blog posts, managing emails, or even creating basic social media content. You can create a profile and offer basic services like data entry, simple graphic design using free tools like Canva, social media management like scheduling posts, writing or editing blog articles. Just start out with small gigs and build up your reviews and watch your opportunities grow. Here's a pro tip. Start with something simple like offering basic tasks or entry-level services. You can charge lower rates initially in order for you to build up your reviews, and as you gain confidence, you can raise your prices. So freelancing is perfect because it's flexible, you work around your schedule. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. Please do go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. It's free and it helps this video reach people like you who are just getting started on their journey to making money online. Number 2 is selling printables or digital products. Ever thought about selling digital products? Here's the cool part. Digital products are a goldmine for beginners. Why? Because you create them once and then you sell them over and over again. Let's say you're good at organizing. You can design a printable planner or a to-do list in Canva, which, as I've said, it's free. If you're into fitness, why not create a simple workout guide? You can use websites like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own Shopify store, which will allow you to list these products for sale. Here's how to start. 1. Use Canva's free templates to create your product. You then list it on Etsy or Gumroad. Then you market it on social media to get those very first few sales. It might take a little time to create something, but once it's up, it can generate passive income for years to come. Guys, I'm giving away a free downloadable template with 54 digital product ideas that you can use right away. Also, recently I put together a super ebook which is super easy to follow. It's called Create, Craft and Sell Your Own Digital Products. It's packed with step-by-step instructions and everything you need to get started. So, if you really are serious about getting into the digital product market space, then this ebook is definitely for you. And I'll put my link in the description below. Number 3 is remote customer support jobs. So if you're looking for a regular paycheck, then remote customer service is a great option. There are companies like Amazon, Apple, and smaller business that hire customer service reps to work from home. These jobs involve answering emails, managing chat inquiries, or just taking phone calls. What's good about it is that many companies provide paid training, so you don't need any prior experience at all. All you need is a quiet space at home to work from. You need to have basic computer skills, you need to have a good internet connection. So start by checking job boards like Indeed, remote.co, or FlexJobs. On your keyboard, on your laptop, all you need to type in is remote customer support or work from home customer support service. This is ideal if you're looking for a stable entry level role. Number 4 is online tutoring or teaching. So, if you enjoy helping others learn, then online tutoring is a fantastic way to earn money. So, there are platforms like VIP Kid, Cambly, or Preply who will connect you with students from all around the world. Many of these programs don't require any English degree, just be fluent in English and have a friendly attitude. Here's how it works. With Cambly, you can tutor adults conversationally English and no lesson planning is needed. So, with VIP Kid, you can teach English to kids in China using their curriculum. So, here's a pro tip. Please make sure your workspace has good lighting and minimal distractions. Even if you're camera shy, did you know that many platforms now have text-based or audio options only? Number 5 is paid surveys and market research. Okay, let's talk about surveys. So while they won't make you a millionaire, they're a great way to earn extra cash in your downtime. There are websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or User Testing who will pay you to A, share your opinions on their products or services, or test websites for usability. So, user testing is especially great because you can earn from $10 or more for just 20 minutes of work by reviewing apps or websites. However, please be cautious of sites that ask for upfront fees. The ones that are legit are free to join. So then, on to number 6, which is selling unused items online. Let's not forget about selling stuff you already own. Just look around your home. Are there clothes, gadgets, or furniture in decent condition you no longer use? If so, you have platforms like eBay for collectibles and electronics, Facebook Marketplace for local sales, and Poshmark for clothes and accessories. Be sure to make your listings stand out by taking clear photos and writing detailed descriptions. You might be surprised how quickly you can turn that old camera or barely used blender into cash. Plus, it's a great way to dip your toes into the world of online selling. I hope you found this video helpful. Please comment below and let me know how you're getting on or which one or ones aligns with you better. So I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.